Welcome back. All right. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how can you manipulate environment actor using C++ and the API. Okay. Um, for example, um, this charge node here in aberration. If you know that you can do a lot of things in manipulating in world actors like charge node. So first, I'm gonna show you how can you what is charge nodes first, so you know how to what can we do about it. All right. So here we need a battery, and then anyway, charge nodes is like it's a charging station, obviously. Like you can charge your battery and because aberration doesn't have much power, like there's no sun, like you can make like a free and there's a lot of things that you can use in with the battery itself. So I think aircon and other stuff, right? But here also it can create element, which is just a recipe of battery and some stuff. You can see in this video, so I just searched some video from YouTube. I'll just play it, okay? So it needs like 8 battery, I think. It needs to be charged if you have a charged battery. And the problem here is you need to leave the battery and your recipe to create element, and it will take time, right? And then it's open, like the charge node is unlocked for everyone. So anyone can just steal your battery and stuff, right? And then in this example, yeah, he's putting like battery. You can use it to their pet, just charge or vice versa, I think. Anyway, I haven't tried this. I don't know why this guy's not creating. Oh, maybe he's just showing us to charge battery. But yeah, the charge node can create element using. You can see the recipe inside if you are playing the game. But for us, we're gonna solve some problem with this, like um, manipulating or changing in their settings without creating a mod inside the game. So it's like server side mode. That's our purpose, right? So for here, I'm gonna maybe I'm gonna reduce. I think depends on your I think depends on your server settings. This charge node will can take like 30 minutes to get ready, or maybe another 5 minutes to charge all the batteries. And as you can see here, there's a limit for its charge. Like I think it's only 5,000 for the charge. See here, current charge is 5,000. So it's just depleted. You're gonna take time to recharge, and then you can use it. And let's say you create element, then it will just discharge everything because you created an element, and then you need to wait a little more, a minute, like a few minutes to charge your battery, and you can create another one. It's like there's a cooldown in it, okay? So what we're gonna do, um we can change its state from recharging or any kind of state, like it it can be ready again the moment you create elements. So you can just spam creating element as long as you have the recipe, right? So it's not cheating. It's like just changing the waiting time and stuff, because we all have work, we all have, we are tired at work, we just want to play the game, right? So here, um, you can turn off, you can turn on, turn off the thing as well if you want to. Um, I think we can, yeah, just bypassing the cooldown and stuff. Also, we can manipulate how much it charge per batteries. Also, we can manipulate the inventory size, because I think this one is only um weighing like 20 slots right here. So we can make like more than that, but it's not gonna show in the UI because I haven't tried to change the UI in C++. So maybe we'll come to that. Okay. So for here, it just goes this for here for starters, I mean, you need to download the dev kit in your machine. So it's like it will take like another uh, like let's say for example the game itself for example is 150 gig. This is the same as that, so you need to have like more than oh, you see here is 350 gig. Oh man, well I'm just saying like 150, but right now you need 350 gig. Okay, so download this. Mine. I already downloaded and run it. It will take time to load. Just that's why before recording this video, I loaded mine. So right here and open. Even opening a blueprint, it will take time. So, the moment you change anything here, and then I tried, and you can check the process here and convert it to C++ if if you know how to do it manually. But some of the nodes here, it's not supported on C++, so you might need to um, do it manually or code it manually. But I think you can use it like for me, for our example right now. So even the setting of this thing. Also, if you add some blueprints here, it is a client mods now because you need to create another charge node and load it to the game, and also the map as well. So you need to upload the map and stuff because it's not the same as aberration before, right? You know, and then for here we can like say we want to change the um what do you get state. Okay, charge node state. I think this is a wrong blueprint. Maybe I close it down. Primal structure. No, this is the one. Okay, this is the one anyway, because I opened the other one here, but it's not. It's a primal item, as you can see. If you go here, just search power node or charge node. It will um, bring you here. Just make sure you are in all, not just aberration, just all, and it will show you everything that changed to power node. So we are using primal structure instead of primal item. This is the inventory of the if inventory of the storage of these power nodes. What else? Power node overcharge. This is just montage. Anyway, we don't need that. Okay, so this power node, we open it up, not the primal item. This is not the one, so we can just close that. Here, maybe you go here, class default. Here, it shows right away, right? Make sure you don't click anything, cause it's not gonna show. You go to the root or here, the primary structure itself. So state, we have charge node current state, right? If you right click that and copy internal name, let's just open it and then paste it. You see charge node state. This is the C++ variable of this charge node. Okay, but if you copy the display name, it's different. It has a space, and you can use that. Okay. The charge node state, that will be the one that we need to find later on. And then it says charge node state is 2, right? We need to find, of course, we need to have like a little bit of reading, reading of something, right? So we can just double click that. As you can see, I have a lot of, if it's equals to 2, right, it's on. And then the other one is recharging, is off, overcharge, grafting, right? So let's say after overcharge after no charge. What? Maybe when you charge a battery, this will be the state. And overcharge after crafting the element, that will deplete all the batteries as well, right? So what we need there is always set is on, so we can just spam the crafting and stuff, right? Going back, what else is we need to go to the main. We can just close this one, the other one that we don't need, because there's so much thing that wildcard left it open. That's why you know we're kind of. You can check here as well on the sidebars, the one that you want to see, or the function that you are looking for. For example, structure. No, you always go to event grab anyway. So this is the main function of everything, like they've done in the no, I mean blueprint. Okay, but this not really what we need is like um, if you have more time, you can read one by one, so you have a better understanding of the actor that you want to manipulate from. So, but for in this tutorial, I just want to show you how can we change the state, the cooldown, because for me, if I'm looking like what is my problem? Of course, you need to write down your problem first, and then try to get all those keywords within your problem. So my problem is of course, earlier when I craft element, it charge is like turning off. And why is that? And there's a kind of cooldown, like 5 minutes cooldown or whatever, I don't know. And then it will start charging, right? Up to 5,000, so I need to wait another time. And then after that, I think you need to charge the battery itself, right? So what we can do is like, charging every battery instantly and then setting the charge state to always on because it's turning off, right, like the overcharge and stuff. And then another thing is if there's a cooldown, crafting cooldown or whatsoever, so all those keywords is like you just type it cooldown, right? So you can see here, it says maybe they do have like some documentation description, but most of the time you can see that it's just common sense, right? Cool down to gain charge after turn on. So it has 120 seconds. It says here cool down to gain charge after crafting. So you have 300, another 300 seconds, right? So you compute total of it, and then it will turn on. I think it will turn on, and then set to you can craft again, something like that. Time cooldown request, fuel remaining. I think this is not the we need like fuel maybe if you are using fabricator or something, maybe if it is about the fuel. Okay, and then activation time cooldown, yeah. This is just default, but I don't think that it uses the charge not using it, only this one. So um after crafting and after turn off. Okay, so that's two. This is two item that the factor that we can use later on. And then um, maybe we have a problem with battery, right? So we try battery. Let's see if we can change something in the battery. Okay, you can override if you have modded battery, you can use that as well. But you don't mess up with the vanilla ones, right? So powered powered allow battery, so like that we don't need that because it's an item container. um Charge added to battery per second is like 2.5 for 100%, let's say 2.5 per second. so it's kind of bit slower, if you ask me. So maybe we can just put like 5 or 10, just to, it will charge maybe just 100 right away. So it will charge quickly, right? Or it automatically charge. All right. So we all have anyway the state, right? We already have the state. Okay, we all have anything we need. Like we need to always put the state on 2, which is on, and then we need to manipulate the turn off cooldown and then the crafting cooldown so we can spam the crafting and stuff, and then added battery per seconds. Okay, that's the most problem um, in this example. All right. Then we don't need this anymore. We only need this just to get the internal. Okay, maybe we can just copy it right now. Current state, we need that, alright? And then cooldown. Like I said, um, if you need to explore a lot of things in the game, you can, if you have time, like, I don't have time. So, but when I'm studying this, I all read the blueprint and stuff because anyway, it's benefit me because if you create game in using Unreal Engine or maybe tools or plugin and stuff, you can always, learn something from this dev kit because how they implement those kind of function, how they implement the dinosaur and stuff, you can learn everything here just to read the blueprint and stuff, right? So what we have here, we are writing all this one, and then the battery. Okay, battery per seconds. Copy internal name, and then that's it. So we have four, or all right. And then after that, great. What we're gonna do next? Okay, we just close this YouTube. Anyway, if you watch all my previous video, we created a plugin template, and you can use this as well. From here, this is the full repo, like implemented much of the stuff that we need to create a plugin, right? Um, but right now in this tutorial, we're just gonna make a simple hook that can manipulate our world environment actor or world actor. Actor means the object in the game. Yeah, okay. So you can just use this template and then create a repository from it. Just to make sure that we are, if we mess up around, we still at least we have like um, what do you call this? Source control, so we can always get back and mess up again and go back again. All right. Um, what we do, what we gonna name on this project? Okay. ASA API for me. ASA. This will be open source as well. If you wanna use this plugin, it's up to you. But we will try this so you can see what is happening inside. Okay. Um, ASA API charge node. Okay. Well, also we can expose all those settings. This is the good thing in doing this plugin. So if you are seeing this, all of the settings right here, like where is it? Primal structure, primal node, which means this one, not the actor, not the other thing, the structure. Maybe you can use all those settings if you want to. Um, for charge node, here you can see everything here. The settings, you can expose that in your config, so um, in your liking as well, so you can you know um, test them, or I mean what I mean is like changing it when the server loads up, right? This is very useful. Advanced, maybe just look some useful settings here that you can see about here. um, Maybe I'm just checking it, like current charge amount, you can Charge buff. No, I don't think that you can have a charge buff. This is a different one. Maybe this is the emitter, like, the light surrounds you, and then, um, when you bring your bulb dog, it can charge within that range. I think this is the one. Yeah. So emitter range 1,700. You can add it like, the way you like, and expose it to C++, and then, you can use it, change every battery per seconds. You can use this as well. So this is like a useful thing for everyone. So they don't need to stay longer in the danger zones, because most of the time, like, these charge shows, like, um, they're planted in, in the danger zones. So yeah, you can change those things just to help your players. Also, we can put the, when they craft, every craft, you can charge a points, right? So that's, win-win situation for everyone. So you help the player and you help your server as well. Not just for real money, but at least points. Charge color, you can change that as well. What else? Is the game thing, right? Anyway, I'll leave this to you. You just explore what you need to think. But the important thing is, I just teach you how can you, um as a API plugin. I think how can you manipulate an, environment thing. Wait, plugins, right? Plugin with S. Just wanna make, like, my repository is uniform, so I don't, charge, uh, what do we do with restriction? Hmm, like, a better charge node, a better charge for ARK. I don't know, ARK SA. Oh yeah, right. Server side mods, right? Okay, so we're using the template, and then, we're making another. This is a tutorial on how to make my template as well. I'm using my make a plugin using my template. If you don't want to watch, a longer videos, right? So it's okay. Great videos. Okay, I mean great repository. Sorry. Okay, let's just wait. It's just generating a repository. Or all right now, and then Git your Git desktop. Uh, I assume that you have this. One of my video, um, taught you how to create this, and then just copy paste the HTTPS or maybe HSH if you want to, or if you already set up that one. And then here, we're gonna clone repository using URL for us, and then just put it in my repo then. Okay. Yeah, of course. After that, show in Explorer. After you can see it in Explorer, just open this. But wait. Okay, since the name is plugin template, right? We're gonna make some, um, what do you call this? Make some modification, just a little bit, edit with Notepad++. So we open all those. We just checking, like, as a, plugin template. We're gonna name that with our, plugin charge node. Okay. I think you don't need to, rebuild the baseline here for BC BCPKG. Okay. So just close that one. It's done. Maybe I'll just rename the solution file to our charge node. like this because the project is charge node. So okay, so charge node maybe find all. Okay, so there's only one here. Um, plug in template charge node. Plug as a per plug in that. I hope I don't mess up this one because I remember that Also, we need to change this too, the filter stuff, because I changed it right there. Um, charge node. This one, charge node. I hope I can make a batch file that you can just run, so to change everything. So maybe I'm gonna log some process here. Um, 9 6. So I can make automation for this. So let's just set up. I've seen some repository. They have like a batch file that generate a solution file and then it will generate by itself. So right here we're gonna make like I'm planning to make that kind of thing so we can just double click it and done. Or maybe like it will ask you what's your project name or what's your plugin name, and then it will make something like automatically. Um, rename SLN, rename project, rename filters. Okay, so that will be rename lines thing. Okay, what after that we don't need all of those things, and then what else? I think this is okay now, the charge node solution. But we're going here. Wait, at first, rename vcpkg pkg.json. Okay, config our database. Oh no, JSON. And it's just the filter inside that, so it's pretty much clean. So we don't um need to have a problem with this. Okay, next I think here we need to make in our config create config dev.json. As you can see here, is it has it will be missing because it's um it's being ignored by GitHub when you push it because it's development. You can see the password and stuff here, right? So we create that, and then after that, organ templates are secured prompts. Oh, the other thing is the naming of your server. So make sure you change this later on. Depends on um your path on your server. This post build anyway. Okay, let's just do it later on inside the game. I mean inside the game, inside the solution file. Let's see if we miss something else. Anyway, we're not gonna use MySQL here. You can just exclude them in your project if you want to. So the project will do, keep it clean. But this is a template, so you can change the CPP into your charge node. That will be a problem. But let's see, I'll show you. Charge node in your filter. It will be a problem with your filter. So let's see. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, so where are you? Where are you? This one. Charge node. Okay. And the root names. ASA plugins template. Plugins that charge node. I wanna use this one. Charge node. Then plugin template charge node. I didn't saw that coming earlier. I cannot find the. This is not. I think this is not the filter. This one. Charge node. Maybe template. There's nothing. Template. Yeah, okay. I thought I was. Okay. Great. What else do we forget? Um, this one. We have it here. This is the plugin. But later on, we're gonna fix that anyway. Also, we're not using any export. All right. Um, plugin. Plugin info, plugin template, right? So charge node. You can just replace all if you want to, but this one is safer than. So I want to make some automation for it. Charge node. So you don't need to do this every time you create a project, okay? I'm looking forward to it. Okay, let's open the charge node. Great. I didn't know. I didn't change it to, you know. Okay, so it's been changed, the charge node stuff, and we don't have any errors. But for our filters, it kind of mess up because it's gone. I don't know. Let's try to. I don't know where can we change the filter because it looked like that it doesn't filter. It didn't read the filter and stuff, right? Yeah. It didn't. It looks like it's not reading our filter, so it might be like in this filter. No, it's oh man, you know why? I'm so dumb here. Charge node, charge node. Yeah. Okay, I think that will be hopefully. So let's open our project. Let's see if it's filtered now. Yeah, it's filtered now. Okay. Charge node, everything is fine. I'm not gonna build this yet because um, we need to check something before we do that. First, we're using the 17 if you want to, but I want like 17 right there. And then BCPK yes, source include path, source dir include um, in here we have our when we created this what do you call this template, our environment is desktop, but right here we're not using desktop anymore, because as you can see here, I'm in my repository and blah 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 blah. Maybe I go there. Yeah. Let's just close that. Save it. All right. And then our charge node. Um, okay, let's just cut it. Cut and paste and ship. Then paste it in your desktop. Of course, you reopen it. Okay. After reopening it, yeah, it will be pointed out to our ASA environment right here, right? So we don't have a problem anymore. But for you, it's up to you when you want to put your project. Okay. So we're having a problem with our includes right here, because we might need to check that one. Okay. Mm, it's not plugin template anymore. It is charge node. Charge node. So we go to charge node.h. Charge node, where are you? Public charge node. And this one, charge node. Oh, see, um, we need to change all of them like later on, right? We're not gonna use this, so we can just, get rid of them. But as soon as as we just, um, charge node, why you have problem with this? Charge node.h. Because your project is messed up, so that's why I want you to um look everything, include path, lib. I don't know why we are using lib here while we are. So my template has some mess in it. Should be libs, not lib, like that. Because our folder structure is like li big letter L, or I just watch out with those libs. Maybe I forgot to change it in our template. Okay. Source public, that's okay. We have the source public here. Source public, and this is the charge node thing. Okay. You can see it here. Desktop charge node, blah blah blah. Uh, what's up? Okay, this should work, but I don't know why it's kind of have a squiggly, squiggly thing here. Preprocessor project name is a template. We're gonna change this to plugins that charge charge node export. I don't think it matter, but we change it anyway. Our linker. Leave. Actually, we don't need that, but let's see. Okay. What else? Our build events. Yes, good. So this one is still pointing to my server, so I don't change it. But for you, you change all of it, all this part, because this is my server. So for you, you change it to that path, or create a macro. I think you can make your own macro, I believe. But let's see. Um, what? Did I just close it? Okay, so I still have the git something here, so I can push it whenever I build it. Oh well, it's released. Oh no, yeah, that's why it's being shitty, because we didn't ever change the debug. But you don't go to debug in this case, because we're not making our own system or whatsoever. We just need to release right away our plugin, right? So you just release, then it will fix all the errors right here. Okay, so what do we need? We don't need this one. Oh, that's a Python comment. Sorry. You don't need this one. We do need, oh no. Um, you can do your charge node by you can refresh your charge node using commands if you want to, but this time around, this um you know how I already taught you how to make like commands, right? But in this case, or maybe we can just do that. But I want automatic, whenever, everything for my everything works, okay? So we're not gonna use commands right now, okay? Or we just add it because we have existing command here like repair items because I want to show you like that repair items can affect your battery charges. So you can charge your battery the way how you repair your items. I'm gonna show you anyway. All right. So set timers. I don't think that we need timers. Or maybe this is the other idea of using this. Like, in an end time, you can write let's say if you want like, QOL and stuff, it's just, just like let's say 1 minute, it will charge right away. I mean the charge node and stuff. You can do that as well every 1 minute. So, you know, there's a lot of things that you can use here. But for timers, we're not gonna use that. But the hooks, we need to use that for automation. Okay. What else here? Of course, we're not gonna use the timer, so we don't unload them. Other reload commands. Reload commands is a must, because if you wanna reload it using ARK or stuff, and that will be the one. We don't need much here, to be honest. Timers, if you want to exclude them as well, so they don't trigger, and you can save time for, compiling stuff. What else? Let's try to look on our utils. So we do have problem here. So what you can do here is find all within your current project right here, and then you can replace them as you like, charge nodes. So when you replace them, replace next like Alt R, right? So don't replace all because you might mess up something. Replace next Alt R. What? I need to click here. Okay. Rep Alt R, Alt R, Alt R, Alt R, Alt R, Alt R. It's up to you. Try to replace all. Maybe it's clean. Our code is cleaner. Or maybe we didn't duplicate names and stuff, right? Maybe we just try that. I'm so lazy. Replace all. Ta-da! 60. What? What? Charge node. Where is it? Yeah, charge node. Namespace. Charge node. Yeah. Yeah, we replace everything. I think that will be great. Finger cross. Okay. We don't need the like database and stuff, right? So we can just get rid of this. But in the future, right? Um, for that function, priority. Wait, I think we can manipulate the one that who's accessing. Uh, who's we need that, right? Because we need to reduct a points on some player that's using our stuff, right? Why I'm gonna remove it anyway, so I don't need that. Okay, I'm just minimizing things just to make it cleaner for us to when we are looking at something. Okay, so window, vertical, horizontal maybe? No, not horizontal. I'm sorry. Should be vertical. Ta-da! Okay, Anyway, because I'm always separating the H and CCP. So on the right side is CPP and the left side is your headers and stuff. Okay. Okay, what we do we need here? Hmm. Um, we go to hooks, of course, first, hooks.h. What we gonna set hooks? So we're hooking here, we're hooking the die. We don't need that, but we just leave it there. Alright. Uh-huh. What do we need here? Hmm. Let me think. Let me think a little bit. Alright. So this thing is like, my experience because I know what to look for because first I read the blueprints. As you can see, I do recommend read all the blueprints if you need to, and read the API when you have time. API says like has a lot of things in it and that useful command and stuff. If you want to read all those boring stuff here, you read them. So you might find a thing that's useful to your idea, right? Um, you need to read this. I don't read books much. Only read Bible, but in book, I'm so lazy. And but here in codes, I do like reading a lot of stuff in coding that can be useful in it's stored in my memory, and then the moment I need them, and oh, I know there's a problem. I mean, I know that there's a function that could be help the thing that's problem and such, right? But the most thing that could help you is keywording. So when you find something back in your head, you have some kind of keyword and then search for it. All right. So for here, what we're gonna do is we want to automate the charge node, right? Um, by doing that, of course, when you play the game, I removed the. Maybe we just open our server while doing this. I'm sorry. Like, this is not like the YouTube videos that you are watch that everything is ready for you, but here is like impromptu. Okay. Um, we go to server files and then shooter games. Oh no. I'm wrong. We can just do it here, right? Maybe let's see if I have saves. I'm still correct, right? You see this? I have save for aberration, I have scorcher. So like that, we just copy paste this and then save it. And now it will change the aberration and start the server and voila, you are in aberration. Okay. So I can show you right away what is the charge node like. Okay. Uh, Hopefully I didn't put any plugin that already doing something. Let's see. Binaries, RKPI, plugins. Okay, we only have three. Oh yeah, we have a plugin template right here. Maybe we can just delete them. Delete. Bye bye. Kadish. Oh no, I need to close the server. Or maybe just cut it, cause I don't want to delete him. Okay, just put it here in the temp folder, and then oh what? Yeah, just copy paste it. I just got you away. Okay, going back there, plugin, make sure you don't have anything there, and just run the server and stuff, and let's wait for it to load. All right. But right here, I was looking like, like I said, back in my mind, I need some keywording, right? So, I was thinking when you open this, when you access the charge node, it will like, charge it right away and do some kinds of stuff, right? Or, yeah, something like that. So, open. Um, I know that the other inventory is open the remote. inventory. Your inventory is your inventory. You can just inventory. You can see a lot of inventory stuff here. But I know that the other is remote. So remote inventory, right? Allow viewing. See, this is useful as well. So if you wanna lock the charge node stuff, you can use this, right? You can use that. Find all. Okay. Last gamepad. No, not that. Last transferred to inventory. No. Server after close. Server after view. Drop from. Server equip. You can try and trial. Server transfer from. No. I think server close. After close. Drop equip. Hmm. What I can use here? Um. It's always closed. Where's the open one? I want the open one. Did I miss that one? No, this is not that one. Hmm. Oh, we are in the actor, so we're not using it. Because that's only like, dinosaur and stuff. We're going to maybe inventory. No. Remote. That's a bit value. Yeah, this one maybe. Primal structure, remote inventory, allow viewing, activation stuff. That's primal. I'm looking for a component. Where are you, guy? Where is it? The animals is not done. If it's actor, there's no open. Mm-hmm. Let's see, add open. Open. Is this? Last game mode. Oh no. Or if it's not here, because, like I said, it's not always updated, right? So you go here. That's why if you have a lot of experience doing this, you'll know where to look. That's why you need to read everything, cache, and then offsets, right? So we go here. Open inventory. No, remote, of course. Inventory. Okay. Our API doesn't have anything in it. So we have here like this server open in remote inventory, right? That's so cool. Even if you don't add this, but I think you might need it because, find it there, current project, find all. You don't see it, right? That's why I want to use my own API because it's been modified for so long. But here's a good thing that we're gonna manipulate all these things, right? But I do remember that you already see me how to add some stuff here, right? Um, what else? Wait, we don't need that yet. Where is it? This one, right? Here, primal structure. You go to, you know where to go. Is the dumper. Priority dumper. I just dump it there. Primal structure container item, decompile. You might need this one, and we already have this. And just rename it like this. Wait, like that, container, and then open it with your. Don't look my. Stop looking at my downloads. Okay, you might want to see something in it. Okay, so it looks like pretty much clean. For me, it's cleaner because sometimes you can see like the bullet stuff here is messing around. You know. What we're gonna do is you need to find the structure, like the stock exact word, so we can go there, right? Here we go, ASA API, find this, find all, and just double click this, and then you can go here, right? It's not really updated, but the one that we dump, it is updated. If you wanna paste it, remove everything here and paste it, right? It's fine. I think it's gonna work. Also, um, where our we're gonna look like the server open remote inventory. Okay, so this is only what we need, right? We can find this one if already exists. It is. No, it's a bit field value, guy. Uh, you are a bit field value. I don't need you. I need some kind of function that closest to that one. Maybe this one. Yeah. So the other one doesn't have. Just make sure that that and then these functions, right? Go here and then copy paste this one. That one we need. Where are you? Here. Okay. Copy paste the one. Paste it here. Don't ever compile your ASA API with added values because it will mess up the library that other plugins uses. So just leave it there, We're just adding headers. All right. We're adding it is make sure it is okay, right? Good. Good, good. I better component field. All right. So what we do we're good, right? He. Just save it, of course. We go to hooks. We're at hooks. Like we're gonna declare some hooks. You can just copy paste this. I'm so lazy. I'm sorry about it. Okay. A primal structure item, because it's item container, of course. Container underscore server open remote inventory, and then comma. What does it need? It needs shooter player controller, and then I think that will be it. We need to copy those things. This one. Okay. So we have it in our clipboard, and then um of course we need to check if it's a void, right? Okay, void. Just making it sure it's a void. Okay, first void because it's a void, and then the the type, and then container item container pointer, and then a shooter player controller. Okay, and then just enter. Are we missing something here? Why we have some um yeah, nothing. Okay, void the hook. Um Wait, let me just paste my keyboard because I wanna copy paste again. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about this. I don't wanna type. Okay. So we copy the hook, and then of course we're gonna put the thing inside. All right. This is the hook callback. Anyway, we haven't done anything there yet. So, but I wanna copy paste again. Okay, copy paste structure. It's up to you if you wanna name it with the different names. But for me, structure is fine. And then PZ, right? Player controller. Okay, what do we need here? Of course, um, how can you, anyway, this hook will call on every structure you open with what? With inventory. So we need to filter that in our case. So, this will be helpful as well. Like, where is it? Where our dev kit? Our server dev kit. Maybe this name. Uh, wait. Description. Descriptive name, right? Is charge space node. All right. See that? Descriptive name. So what we're gonna do here is filtering all the structure that we open. So if it's a structure, oh man, structure, then this is structure dot descriptive name. It will automatically do that. Then equals, no, not empty, equals to what? Charge charge space no. All right. So if it's true, then uh do something here. Okay. Of course, don't forget something like the original one. Let me just copy paste this. An underscore original and then passing all those values. Structure, if it's not manipulated, you just pass it there. But we remove the hook underscore. Alright? So this is the original function. Okay? But here, add hooks and remove hooks, right? I'm gonna do like just copy paste this because I'm lazy. Um and then this one, just cut it out. We don't need that anymore. And paste it from here. This is the offset that the system we're gonna look. Okay, and then copy paste the hook because it's so long and the original. Okay, so we made the get hook. Of course, we're gonna make some detaching the hook, disable it, right? Again, we need to copy paste this one. Just don't confuse yourself, okay? Then hook. We don't need the original because it's just disabling what is this hook, okay? All right, so what we do here, and then we go to our utilities, okay? What's we gonna name with this? Um, of course, when we what do we need to accomplish when you access the inventory? Of course, if it's charging, you want it to recharge or so maybe huh, change node state, right? Or change everything inside in it. Because you can do this when, but it's so, it's so hassle. It what I'm saying earlier is you can do this while the server's loading, but you will giving the server like take time to load, and maybe if your code mess up it won't load or make some issues in the game and stuff. But it's safer that you only manipulate actors when you need to access, I mean, when you need it, like throw the function when you need it. But if you don't need it, don't mess up with it, right? I think that's a little better. Okay, so override. Maybe just make something like simpler here. Void, of course, we don't need override. charge node settings. Okay, and then this one. What we gonna do here? What we need it? What we need? Um, here we are passing what? What we are passing? The structure, right? So all this structure, it has inventory stuff and other any kind of stuff, right? Um, hmm, hmm. What we need here? A primal structure item container. Item container. A primal structure item container. What? It's already there. So we just need to pass this one. Okay. So we can have the whole thing in it. We don't need anything. Structure. Okay. Like that. And then we call it here, of course. Obviously. Hmm. Of course, structure. Just like that. Let's make a man remove that one. And then what we do here is um later on I'll make this simpler first, then later on we can just add a lot of things in it, okay? So we exempt it with the charge node already, so we don't need to make something like filter the thing, right? First, remember we took all of this. Now we're gonna use it, okay? We can just copy paste it later on. Charge node state, okay? What we're gonna do, we have like a property function here. Maybe not, maybe we have. Okay, we have f property, right? Uh, then name it as current node state, which is our variable. So structure that find property, I hope it has a value. Then it is a f name, and then put your variable here, which is this one, right? And then it will find f name. It needs to have like f name number, then f name add. If not, f name add, right? Because find property only need f name. For f name, you need to find the name. If it's not, we are adding it, right? I don't know, but it does work in me. But if you can find any other solution. So what we're gonna do is find the other properties that we need. So copy paste them, right? Everything. So you need to copy paste them. Make sure you just follow the naming and stuff. It won't be hurt. I forgot to just to be uniform, right? So we can just remove this. All right. So we have all those four property what that we need. All right. So here's the catch. Here's the catch. All right. If you want no cooldown, what do we need? Since this is multiplayer, so we're gonna make something like, current node state. We need to change it dot set, right? Sending the structure the object. Wow, what the structure, then set to 2, which is we saw the value that it is 2 earlier. I don't know where to find it now. So 2 equals to 2, 0, 1, 3, right? If it's on, it's all there, right? Okay, going back to our code. So we set it to 2 always whenever you open it and then close it. Um, Structure that multicast. Sometimes this one is not um, working, sometimes it does. This one is like, since you are playing with server and clients, right? You are the client who the one who's playing. Because if you run this one, it's already been executed, but you won't able to see the changes because it's only from the server, right? So we need to send it the the setting of the structure that we change. We send it to all the clients so everyone can see the changes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Current node state, definitely add, and then false. We can just mm-hmm. What do you need? Copy paste this and then here and then false. Unreliable. I mean, if you wanna, um, unreliable means like if it fails to send it to all layers, it just go through. But for us, we need this, right? So false. We need it. It's a must. Okay. What else? Here. Cooldown gain. No. Cooldown after. Yeah. I'm gonna change this. So, Um, let's say that set structure, then no float, right? So this is also like I think ARK is using double instead. Yeah. Structure. Also C++. No, I think there's no float in C++. There's a float. I don't know. Maybe that's the Unreal Engine. Okay, so we need to multicast property, and then of course we are lazy, and then paste it, copy paste this one in here, and then of course we need it, make it false too. All right, great. Another one. What we need to change? Of course, this one. That's set Bob. I'm not gonna set Bob. Set. Then just copy paste this because I'm lazy. Make it 0 as well. No cooldown. I don't wanna have any cooldowns. After turn off, after crafting. Okay, that will be it. How about the battery per second? You wanna change it? It's up to you. But we're gonna change it anyway. So I want to change it like 5 per second because I'm so greedy. Okay, and 5. No structure that I don't know if it's double, but um double, right? Double to this is kind of hard coded, but yeah. What's that, Shan? Okay, so making that. Close the door, please. Okay, then we have where my son visited me. Okay, so here we are changing to 5. All right, multicast stuff. Hmm, what else we can do? If you don't want to charge, it's okay. But if you want to instant charge, it's okay as well. It's up to you, right? And of course, almost forgot that we need to refresh the um, after changing it, even though we send a multicast, it won't trigger because we just changed the settings, but it won't re-trigger the structure, right? We need this structure. If you are developing games in Unreal Engine, you will see this function begin play, so it will refresh the structure. Okay, moving on. Okay, we have discharge when we only triggers when we access, right? When we access the thing, but we don't change it yet when someone is crafting right away. So he what? But this function should do, all right? So maybe we can just make something. Hmm. Wait. Um. Let me think again. Eh, Maybe when we access it, so we are changing settings and stuff, but it will when you craft something in it, it will go back to default state, which means for example, you can use it, right? So there's no cooldown and stuff, but when you maybe we can just try this anyway. So we can see a further, issues that we can solve. Where's my game? My desktop. That's my times. Okay. All right. So we're joining to the server, but we don't load any kinds of. I just wanna visit my aberration base on my test server. Let's see. Let's see. Well, that drink coffee is good. Did I die? Okay, okay. Why is not loading? What? I have a lot of dinos here. Maybe this is. I think this is a replicate of my um save in my game. Like, I have a real save and I just copy pasted it so I can see. Oh, I don't have commands. I wish I can pad them all. Like, cryopad all of them. So here's a charge node. I enclose it with my base so I can solo them. Because like I said earlier, it is open to everyone. So when you leave some, elements in here, I have elements right here, and they can take it from you. All right. So I'm just gonna show you how it works for now. So for creating I think you can manipulate those recipe as well if you want to, but I think for this recipe you can just use config in the game, just reduce something. Don't use plugin anyway. If you want to change the recipe, you can always use I think the config for the server, not on the plugin. So I have all those recipes ready. How many battery it needs? It's 18, right? Why this one? I have 26 slots here, as you can see, because maybe my plugins has been loaded last time, and I put everything inside, right? But when you put it again and put it back, I think you can't transfer anymore, because just over 20, right? You're gonna remove them because it's too much, right? It might cause issue because we didn't change the uh slot. All right, but I doubt it anyway. It will come back when I close the server anyway. Okay, so yeah, what we're gonna do here is create. I'm gonna show you how to create the element using all this one, and see the problem. Okay, so it's fully charged, right? 5,000 over 5,000, and then when you craft, it will craft, and then right here you have three, and then but the problem is you have 5 minutes overcharge, right? Station offline overcharge. You cannot charge anything, or this one didn't use at all. Maybe I mess up with the config when the save loads, every setting is loaded as well. But when I close this game and come back to it, it will, it will get all of this, everything in like no charge at all. Yeah, because we mess up the settings already. I think my plugin is using that, and then the save is loading. So maybe we can just do exit. No, maybe cheat, do exit. Yeah, and let's see, and load up the game again. Where's our server? Okay, but like I said, we need to wait for 5 minutes, right? So the problem is being solved later. What else do we need? Hmm. So after crafting, it triggers the refresh. It means it changing the state, and your battery will, depletes. The charge it depletes, right? Like instantly. Because even if I think even if you change the amount of the 5,000, you change it to 10,000. I think when you craft, it will lock because I think they hard coded it. They don't make like dynamic values to it. And when you craft, it will deplete all those 10,000 right away. So it doesn't make sense, right? So what we are doing here, so when you reaccess, when you reaccess um, the charge node, it will change the thing again to charge, so it will refresh everything. And then for the next stuff that you craft, it will remove all those cooldowns so you can craft again. That's what we're doing here. Okay, let's see if it's hopefully that aberration is loading quickly, unlike I mean, Scorcher is fastest, the fastest one among them. It is good now? No, not yet. Oh my. Okay, but anyway, we might forget that, so that's why I want to I want to look for it. So, we need to find the solution when we craft, right? We go back here and find some, crafting, maybe crafting finish. Uh, Override crafting finish sound. Oh, we're almost here. Maybe we find all. Notify BP inventory. No. Override sound field. Force field. No, we don't have it there. Um, Maybe here again. What? No. Cache. Our cache. Crafting finish. U primal inventory component. Global. That's global. So there's a BP crafting finish notification. So maybe it will notify us that crafting is done. So we can just put our code there, right? Event here. I think this is the one that we need to use. All right. So as you can see, we don't have this again in our API because it's not everything is not there. So we're gonna dump it. You primary inventory component. We compiled it, and then this is really cool function anyway. Kudos to Pelayori. Okay. So you primal component, open it in Notepad++. But I wanted dark mode because my no, just kidding. But it's better if it's dark mode. All right. All right. So we're gonna find the. Oh no, this is the one. We go back there. Um, and then API find the structure, and we only have one, of course. And then we have it here. We're gonna find the closest function to our um what we are looking for. Where's our offset? Our offset is here, crafting finish notification, and then go back to your here. Mm, we don't have it, right? No, here. Go back here. Sorry, I was confused a little bit. So find it here, then find the closest thing. Like maybe consume resources. This one is, common. I see, right? Then just enter, added. Um, Go back there and copy paste your stuff. Copy paste that. Okay, make sure you just wait a little bit so you can see if there's something wrong. Okay, so it's better if as long as you have it in your. Okay. Just a deep breath. Okay. So we just have a so I have a template for copy pasting. All right. Maybe take a break. Okay, let's go back here. Just want to check our server. Not this one. Okay. And then you see. So we reloaded it. It's been 5 minutes already? Uh, Look at this. Current charge is 0. I don't know when are you gonna charge though. What? Or maybe I have another one outside anyway. See, it's charging right now. It's 44 and stuff, right? But hopefully we didn't change. Um, Wait, let's try. Let's try. I have some. I have another charge node outside because my place is really cool. Let's go run outside. Running away. Also have this it's auto this one is auto pick up all those stuff here. Just made that one because I'm lazy, like I said. Oh, I have Phoenix. Okay, so let's check our nodes here. Maybe it has item in it. I don't know. Yeah, it has. Let's try to graph here. It didn't take because it inherited the config anyway, so we just leave that. Run back to our home because it's dangerous here. Um, wait. If it's still charging, we could just what else? We can just leave it here. So and then after we made our another hook, we can just transfer all items, right? Recharge 291. So let's just wait for this guy to be charged. For now, I'm gonna make our hook. You know why hook is instead of function? Because this one being called, that's why hook is so useful to trigger a function when it's called, right? I don't have E here. Okay, just close that one. So what we do here, what we need here, u primal component, right? Then underscore the function, right? And what's the return? Void, right? Void. And then the comma, no, like this comma, and then um, pointer. What else? Is there a uprimal item, which is the parameter? And then, what else? Do I forget something? Parameters and yeah, which is type parameter. I mean, no, 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 no. The return. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. My mind is so jumpy. Um, return, which is void, the type, and then parameter. If you have another parameter here, you can just comma. Okay. Of course, void, then hook, underscore, the primal, I mean the type, underscore, and then the function, right? Function, and then the parameter. Parameters inside of this that we need to get what um what item is being crafted, right? But I don't think that we need to use it because item what you want to be see here, you go back there. You see this item to be crafted. If you don't want to name it by yourself, you can just copy paste the name, what wildcard name to it, right? All right. Um, First we need to make the original, set it back to original, and then send the. I'm wrong. I think I'm missing one here. We need to make this one, and then inventory, no, comma, inventory component. You can make like this. I'm so lazy, so yeah. All right, and then send it back, which is inventory component, and then item to be crafted. Yeah, like I said, we don't need the element that need to be crafted because we don't need. Or if you want to change the item that you can change it anyway. Let's say they craft element and then you give them berries, for example. Yeah, but we don't need that. All right, so copy paste this one. Mm, I'm sorry that I'm teaching you to be lazy. I hope you don't get mad. Okay. What do we need here? Invent structure item container. All right, but hmm, we need to convert this inventory component to make it structure? I don't know. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Oh, why? Wait, I have an idea. So since we are using item container here, um, maybe we'll try to this one. We try to cast the thing into a thing that we need because we need the structure container. So here, right? We are casting the item. We are casting it to item container, of course, right? Don't forget the pointer. What we're casting it. Mm-hmm. Ha ha ha. Mm-hmm. Inventory component. Inventory component. It needs to be the actor, the owner part of it. So maybe we can search for owner. What is its return? It need to be actor. So this one is returning actor. So we can cast it, right? The last thing of I mean the parent thing, right? So you can cast it. So we're casting it to that one. Make sure that if um not equal structure, because we're gonna have some crash if you don't do this. If not, oh no, if is structure, and then call the function. Just make sure we have the structure, because if it's failed cast, um, you will have crash, because you're getting something here that it's null or no, not valid. Okay. What else do we need? So we casted it. We get the thing that the structure itself, because we don't have access to the structure itself. We only have access to the inventory component of the structure. So we don't have access to the parent. We do have, but um you can find it maybe inventory component. But this one works. Let's say you need to find in inventory component that returns maybe we don't just throw some keywords, right? We need to do it right, like a proper way to do this. Okay. For example, you have your inventory component, right? So what do we need is trying to find the structure, right? And then just find something. For example, oh, we don't need a primary. You see this cup? No, not this one, because it's not returning. Let's see. This one is not. You can use this because it's a function or something that returns the um item container structure item container, right? I don't know if we have it here. Void. Everyone is void. But sometimes you need to be careful, like looking for the containers. Sometimes you can just pass it there. I mean the like assigning function instead of returning a type, return type instead of they're using assign instead of return type. Is common on Unreal Engine, and C++ as well. So we don't have it. So that's why we need to go up in the. We don't have access, right, for that return. So we need to go to the actor since it's actor component. We go up to its parent and then start casting it to structure item container, right? Yeah, that's why I found a solution about it. Okay, so going back, we do have this, but we didn't do it yet. Okay, you just copy paste this one anyway. Just don't confuse yourself if you have a lot of things like this. New primal component, our hook. Make sure you're using the third one. Almost get confused, you know. Paste the hook and then the offset, which is encapsulated with comma. Okay. Or the third one. Okay, paste it there and then paste it right here. Okay, what do we need? The original. Okay, first it. Oopsie, did I mess up? Alright, okay, great. So finish now. Notification. Okay, I just read not, not notification. Okay, are we done with our charge node? Oh man, this is so. You see this? 19.7. Wow, who's eating my dinos outside? There's a raptor anyway. Okay, so see, maybe the 120. How many minutes is 120? It's 2 minutes, right? Maybe we check cooldown. 300 divided by 60. Um 3 I use calculator. It's 5 minutes, right? I think the 5 minutes will be the cooldown earlier. Hmm. So the charging state, like how many charge per seconds? Mm-hmm. How many? Let's see. 2140, 2140, 2145. So 5 every 2580? What? 180. Let's see. How many? Per 1 minute, I think 85. 21. That's random. 26. There's a 5. There's a huge one. Okay. But anyway, I saw that this is not like, every seconds or whatsoever. Um, we just rock it up. I just want to finish this because, I mean, uh, I hope we can try to, because right now when we craft, it's not deducting anything here. Like, depleting the batteries and stuff. But for now, yeah, I don't know. We haven't tried to compile this one. I hope we don't have any kind of errors. You know that. Well, let's try it anyway. What we have here, we don't need anything yet. Commented. We don't have any config yet. You can just copy paste this one or here. Yeah. Hooks, commands. What else? We don't need commands because we're not triggering our charge node into commands. Let's try to compile this one. Control Shift B, and then it will install the BC package in your project. This one. I exclude it in GitHub as well because you don't need to upload this package because it's dynamically installed when you compile your project. You don't need it, right? hmm Why is taking so long to compile? No, maybe my computer is potato. Let's see my task manager what it's doing. Wait. Okay, so we compiled it successfully. So I don't need to debug anything. And don't forget to remove this. Just a template for copy pasting stuff. Okay. We have the hook for this guy and this guy. Better if you don't leave spaces like this, because you know that is group one, group two, you know. Anyway, um, hmm, hmm, hmm. What else? So we are. I'm really eager to try this. Or maybe we can make some slashes. I'm so evil, you know. Um, okay. This is just a bonus, you know, because it's been like almost 2 hours of my recording, right? Charge slash charge, okay. Um, charge.cmd, okay. Let's make it easy. Maybe we put it up there because that's a new one. Okay, and then what we're gonna do here is go to our command. Where are you, command guy? Other remove commands. We are here on yeah, let's just make some own nouns. So who? Okay, I'm just being lazy. I'm sorry. Okay. Um, HHH. What do you call this? New items. Charge. No, charge. What? Dot eight. Sorry, being lazy. Do we need header? Just header. Existing items, source, and your charge.h. Alright, and then go back to your CPP. Of course, you need to add it from here. Maybe you like include charge, make it like, um, alphabetical arrangement just to make easy to find anything, right? Charge. So we have the charge here. So I'm gonna paste the thing. Um, Sorry for being lazy again. I just copy pasted it. The damage has been done. Oh my karags. Charge. Okay, charge. Oh my. Uh, for the commands, we can just copy paste this again, and then charge node, charge node, charge node config commands, charge cmd. charge CMD. Okay. Let's copy paste this, copy paste there, copy paste everywhere. Alright. And then the callback itself. Charge. Nah, charge. Okay. So going back, charge callback. We're done. So we have add and remove already here. And then, oh, well, what else? Um, we're good, I think. But where's util? When I get slash charge, right? What do we need here? What we only need to change its state, right? But the problem here, oh no, oh no, oh no, yeah, no, my hand is so jumpy, cause you know, um, I was thinking like I'm just being lazy. I'm really sorry about this, cause I thought that um we need to find a trace from the character, and that will take time. Oh my. I hope I can just copy paste codes anyway. Maybe I can find something in my plugins. You know, we need to find the reference for this charge node to our character. That's why I'm saying, oh my, oh my, oh my. Because you know what? We don't have any reference when we use slash commands. Only in our player controller. You get it now? So we can get the structure like this. So I just copy pasted it, right? To change the value and just find property, and then we just change it like this. We just comment it. Yeah, change it like that and do some begin play, and that's it, right? It's so easy, right? But we don't have any reference to it, right? Wait, let me find something else. I think in my taming something, tame utilities. Yeah, I think I have something like, getting the trace from the character. Um, what we can find here? Color dino probably. Target, yes, target. As you can see, the target means what our target, right? You can just copy paste some useful codes here. All right, we have it. Primal character. Mhm. But wait, um, let's just close this. This is for Dino, so hmm. Wait. But I know where what to find. Chill. Just relax. Okay. All right. Ay ay ay. um. All right. I have it. This one. I wait. Okay. We just copy paste it. Okay, and let me explain. Let me explain for a bit. Okay, so we have the controller, and then we get its character, which is the character. So there's a lot of thing like, our controller, which means, do I need to explain this? Maybe I need to. So sorry about for those advanced people that watching my videos. And then this PC is like the controller, which is you, but you have your character, the game character, which is this one. And there's a lot of calls like shooter character, shoot just a character itself. and then shooter player controller. There's a shooter. I like there's a player controller just like that. But shooter, that's wildcard uses. Okay. So a character, we're getting the character of our character. Like I said, there's another one here, primary character that wildcard uses, and then we just casted it from it, so we can have the function for get aimed actor, because we can get it from maybe from PC. I don't know. Aimed aimed actor. Do we have it? Get you aim views actor. No, right? It's different. Like I said, so that's why we need to cast it from different kinds of thing just to get this right. And then this is just pre-made. They use this too. You can find this one. What is this in their ARK dev, right? But I read some article about the collision channels that the ARK uses. But two is working, just a straight line for collision. And then 064, let's see, the aim actor that requires hit component. Um, the collision, you actor hit component, which is me, I think, 064, or just 64 bit of zero, just zero, okay. And then for just 00, then maybe null, or maybe that's 064. But I saw someone that doesn't use 064 anyway. And if it's blue, false was false, direct hit. This is basically in our front. Like I think is the root of the capsule of the player character up to what you're seeing. If you don't have any pointy one, like it's tracing your cursor. I mean um your the front thing in your like I forget the name. Sorry. Let's just go to the game. Yeah, in the middle of your screen up to that object. So yeah, we're getting that one. So this is checking the actor, because everyone in the world is actor in this game. So we're checking if the actor is a primal controller. So we have it. We have it, right? And then what next do we need? I forgot something. I thought I just copy pasted it. And then we're casting the actor into primary controller. If it's false or if it's not valid, and then right now we can just do this. Perfection, right? So everything is fine until here, okay. Alright, we can just compile this. Do we have it in our plugin ASA API? No, this is the project. Ours, our. This is WGSM. Do you have it? Or yeah, here, cache API. Let's just check if the plugin has been. Yeah, we have the charge noded already. Maybe that's why it's not do it's already doing it, because when we access this charge node, does it loads? No, no, no. No, not yet, because it's still charging, right? Oh, it's almost done. Because I wonder if I compile this right now and then we just access this, it will change to on or something. That's why I wanted to show you that to finish this first, the 5,000, and then um yeah, powered on station. It's not yet powered, see? So that's why we can't craft it yet. Maybe we just wait for a little bit. So for you not to wait, maybe I'll pause this, and just show you, cause it's almost done here. Like, it's almost done. It's just 200, and then we go. It is no, like 250 maybe. Yeah, 250. This is 75, right? 796. No, it's not. It's 796. It's 200. Just for 204. Sorry, I'm terrible at math. It's just 200. It will. We can wait. Like, yeah, 34, right? 34. Maybe just for fun, we can just kill those guy. Where are you, guy? Who's killing my stuff? Who's that killing something here? What? Is this you? Hey, come here. Dead. Oh, I have plant X here. That's cool. So I have like, I have a plugin that I'm testing a plugin that it will automatically get everything from you like this. You don't need to manually or one by one taking all of this. Like, taking this one by one. Because there's a lot. See this? And I know some PvP guys like, putting them in stack, like, stacking. But for me, I'm just, I'm a formal player. Formal, formal, formal player. Oh man, my greenhouse broke. Oh my god. Okay, going back. Anyway, this is just a test server. It's not my real thing. How can I go down? Okay, there's a space here. Can we turn it? It's so noisy. Anyway, you can just turn off everything as well, like the sounds and stuff. You know that Fabricator is so noisy, and that that tech. See this? It's so noisy, right? You can just put it in server side, so you don't need to download a bunch of mods in CourseForge that will rack up your storage as well. Yeah, leave it on the server. It is done. Let's see. I think we need to restart the server because we haven't load the plugin. Yeah, we can create now. Yay. So it's 5,000 fully charged. Let's see. What? Why it's not consuming? Maybe I mess up the game. It's not consuming the charge. See? Or maybe. Wait, how can we. Should I start new game? Hmm. Wait, I just want to show you. Maybe I mess up with the plugin already, because this save is not, you know, this save is already messed up. But hmm, maybe we put code like why it's not charging? Did I change something in the charge itself? No cooldown. Cooldown after no. No charging time battery. Charging total charge node. Hmm. Yeah, I'm setting it to max. That's why when we craft, um, it's charging the battery into max already. That's why we don't need it, right? We don't need. For example, no, because we already changed the function. I mean the settings that saves through generations, right? But if you want, you can just make a code that, maybe let's do this. I'm gonna turn up the server. I wait is where's my server? Okay, turn it off and then go to our server and our saves. Save ARK and then um backup operations. So we start fresh without. Oh no, kill. Because we have here plugins. Let's build it first. Hmm. But we're not gonna load the plugin anyway. I just build it so we just copy paste it later on and load it. All right. We're done then. Let's cut that one and then put it on temp so it won't load for the meantime. And then load your server. Okay, load it. Let's just wait for a little bit. Hmm. We need to locate this. Locate in our desktop. Where are you? Plug in charge node. Here you go. So you can see our changes here. Well, we don't have changes because when you build it, it will auto push. See this? You have auto pushes. Okay. Right, so we are waiting right now to our server to load up. Sip your coffee and stay relaxed. Okay. Um, let's just check if we forgot something else. So we are getting the trace in our front and make sure that is a container. If you want to make another, oh man, this is bad because we don't know who are we pointing at, right? We need to make sure that we are pointing the right structure. Structure, the descriptive name field, and if you are lazy like me, you can just copy copy paste. Where are you guys? Um, make sure you are you are looking at the same thing. Return, if not, charge node negate here. Don't forget the negate there, because it will return always if you're even if you are looking in the charge node. Okay, so maybe we build it later when we load the plugin. Yeah, good thing that we check on it. Okay, equals charge node return descriptive name if it's charge node, and then we're gonna do this thing. All right, great. Where are you? Are you loaded? Oh, our calculator. Wait. Oh man, this one. Yeah, it's all done. So it's a fresh server, day one, as you can see that. Just gonna cheat up and then um we need some kind of ARK IDs here, ARK ID to prepare. our cheat command. Cheat command for our resources. You know that battery. Copy paste this one. Cheat GFI. What do we need? Is 8, right? We can just use Notepad. Um, how many? 8. Um, wait. Recipe. Charge. No. Charge. No. The recipe element. Google knows it already, so you don't need to. Even the AI thing. Mm, yeah. Green gem. Copy paste this. How many we need? Where's my notepad? Okay. Just make sure you do like this, like an or another for console command. So we need 20 for green gem and blue gem for 15. Blue gem. Blue. Um, sorry about this. That one. How many? 15. Oops, why 6? And or red gem, of course, red gem. Red gem. Where are my notepad? Always missing. How many? 10. Or we already have charge node. 50 gas ball. Just gas ball and then G. How many? 50. And then element or 20. Or and then 20. So this is our cheat command. Okay, for crafting the element. We go back here to our game. Where's our game? What? Okay, I think I have some survivor here. Download survivor. No, I don't have. How about template? Um, why all this matter? Doesn't matter. Okay, my guy. And let's just make it default. I just need to, delete it anyway. Shut up, SNA. Okay. Okay, just make sure you have your cheat, because this is a dangerous place to live. Okay, maybe we just make some charge node around. Why my shadows like that? I think there's a oh wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, this is a charge node, okay. Um, okay. Why I can make it? No, yeah. No. No. What? How can I make it? I don't have anything. Or maybe because. Yeah, I forgot. Dude, I have cheat. That's why. That's why I don't need anything. Let's find another one. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Where are you? Why did you cheat anyway? Why did you cheat? No, I'm just chatting. Let's find another charge node around here. Hopefully we can. Sorry if I make you dizzy. Um, where are you charge nodes? Why there's no charge nodes around here? You said yeah. Oh no. I might gonna get eaten around here. Okay, let's try to remove our GCM and then let's see if we can. Yeah, we can't make anything. Okay, let's just put GCM and then where's our cheat? We need this one. Copy paste the cheat and then paste it like this. Then you will have everything you need. It doesn't have change oh my, charge. We need to charge it. And then it will deplete the charge, fully charged. No, it's not. It is charging. Oh man, I think we need to wait for a bit. Oh, I wish I have the command, repair command. Checking the commands. Maybe try to repair commands. No repair commands. Durability, I think. Wait, let's see if we have the charge node, charge battery item. Oh, we don't have charge battery item. Uh, let's check the durability command. I think this one works. Let's just try in the game anyway. Skills that are charging, hold bar, equip. I think we need to put the item in the hard bar. It able to, so it can repair or add durability to it. So we do have like charge 500 like right in our battery. Let's try. Okay. So trying to we don't half charge, getting our battery half charge, and then putting in your hotbar, and then how much is it? 500, right? And then make it 500. uh, what happened? I can type numbers. Okay. What? 500. Yes. What? It's not entering, even entering. Oh my. Yeah. Enter, and then yeah, it works, I think. No, not that one. That one. Change 500. Right, so putting it back. What else? We'll try it in our inventory if it works. It doesn't work. It needs to be equipped so you can repair it. Right? Like that. Okay. And then so just remove everything in your inventory. Let's just fly to other charge nodes because we already used that one. Right here. Um, yeah, we didn't use it. Okay, we'll remove our GCM so we know that we are not in cheat mode. Then, as you can see, oh, I'm missing one charge battery. Yeah, it's on my hot bar. Okay, then, yeah, so it doesn't work yet, that it didn't charge. What we're gonna do, yeah, and also the time, like crafting time, it doesn't work yet. So we're gonna solve that problem. But as you can see, yeah, we don't apply any plugins here, even the charge thing. So when it's crafted, you see you have your and it will deplete all the batteries. Then take your element, everything there, and just transfer it back. It won't change anything. Yeah, you need to wait for 4 minutes, 5 minutes to be exact. Right now, you just exit the server. At least we know that um, it is fresh. It didn't apply the old plugin or any kind of plugins that we made. Putting it back before we compile it. Yeah, charge node, putting it back there, and then you can just maybe, yeah, maybe try to compile this one so it updates our plugin, right? And we'll try to compile this first, and then let's see what it. I don't know. I hope we don't have any errors. Okay, successfully built. Let's check our charge node. All good. No, it's not like that. Check. Yeah, 10:54, right? That's my time. Okay, so what's next? We start the server. Let's just wait for a little bit just to load up the server so we can try it. So if you want to change the text, you can go to plugin info and change the description, even the version. Hmm. Let's just wait for a little bit. Taking so long. Yeah, this is the, boring stuff because you need to have to wait to load your server and try again. If you have error, go back. If the server crashes, something. Like that. It is good now. Yeah, the server good now. So we're gonna repair this, repair items. Wait, what? Why it crash? Oh man. Wait. Okay, going back here. We have some crashes. Um, what did I fix? I fix it with my config. I just add it here with my old developer config, and I add the commands here, the charge node. Maybe it's not charge. It is charge only, right? So yeah, that's how you do it. And then um, what we just did is just add it, and then our config for our database, because we use it, right? Um, from here we have our charge node. Mm, we're gonna use this. Okay. Um, wait it charge.h, and then we're just gonna copy paste some codes right here. Ye, where is it? Okay. repairs callback. Just to make sure that um the function is running, just for debug stuff. And then permission check, points checking if we do have point, and then the execute one. So, oops, okay, like this. Just copy paste all those things. You don't need to change anything and stuff, unless you want to change some messages. But I do think that we do have like message here. This is kind of general thing, so not enough points. I'm not gonna change anything there. It's up to you if you want to change it. And then at the end of the thing, um, to have like point reduction, right? All right. And then our server is running. Yeah, it's not because we got some crash. Let's see what we have here. Now let's wait for it to compile and then um, let's see. Okay, so after building it, we can just run the server. Just to test this anyway. Almost done. We're just gonna wrap up the thing and then wait for it to load up and we're good. Okay. It's not ready yet, so just wait a little bit more. Almost. It's loaded. What we're trying to do here is when I um let's see if anyway, let's see in the game what we can do. What's new premium? Premium? This should be free. Mods should be free. Enjoy for everyone. I don't know why they implement this. I know that you that helps developer, like to but some of them using it to gain profit. But for me, I believe that everything must be free because you already purchased the game, and if you really want to support them, you just go to their site and then you know like donate on there directly, not like this, because you know. Okay, so servers up. You can see the status. It's so screen now. They are just after joining here. Let's see. Taking a bit to load up. Okay, so oh, did I charge it? So reactivating station to 0. So we're 0 right now. Wait, there's something wrong anyway. Let's try to repair item. Did I repair? Oh, it's crashing again. What? Oh man. Let's try to find out why it's crashing. Charge node, DLL permission, source permission, utils 162 and 199. Where is it? Utils 162. Just control G 162 and it will goes here. What? I have something. Why it's wrong here? 162. What's wrong with it? Um, Maybe I don't have permission and stuff. 199. Let's see 199. 199. 199. The US ID itself. Why you what? I'm just sending it. Charge callback. Did I call charge callback? Yeah. Let's see the logs from the game. What happened there? So we can get more info what is happening. Logs. Notepad plus plus. It called repair items callback. But then, where's the repair items? We're getting the function. This one. It's being called. What's wrong with our stuff? Hmm. Menu workbench. Dev. We made some. Oh, plugin template. Hmm? ARK dev cluster, right? Charge node. I wonder if this one's sending to our server back there. Let's see. Remove this one. We don't need that one. Um, hmm. Logs. Maybe control N again. Um, Not this one. The other logs. Control N. And then minimize all those things. Go back to binary. PI plugins. Church node. And let's see the config. Yeah, it should work like this. What happening? Maybe it didn't create custom message. No, that's not. Church node initialized. Config was cold. Blah blah blah. Oh, this is the problem. So we're not loading the database because I thought that we're not gonna use it, but then we were using it. Okay, let's just wait for a bit. Um, Start now. Wait again. Maybe I'll just post it right here so you don't wait for too much. Okay. Okay, so the server starts up. Um, let's change to connect. Okay, so after connecting, it's still charging, right? It still have 2 minutes. What we're gonna do is charge. Oh sucks. Huh? Charge. So you see the charge. Repair. Oh my. Repair items. So we did charge this, everything, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna GCM. Okay. Um, I don't think it works right now. Huh. When we access it, and then we must have, but the charge node is not charging, so we might check something wrong with this. Maybe we forget something. Yay, yay. Um, maybe modify some codes. Let me see. We forgot something like after checking everything, this is the thing, right? Of course, we're going back to our utils for our charge node. Before we do this, of course, we need to check if the map is just to save time. If the map is aberration, or else it is not gonna trigger. Because get API utils that get world, then get map name and map name. Okay, so this is the type of assigning. So instead of returning the map name as f string, we are assigning it to a variable. If that equals to map name, then equals aberration dot w, then return it, right? Good stuff. Okay. If you want to remove this in this way, because I don't know, we are sending a structure. We can put this one here, just to be safe. It's much safer than. Oh no, because here we're just changing the charge node state, and then do it when we do slash, but we're not doing anything here. We can just copy paste this one. Yeah, just to be safe, okay? But then we're gonna call this instead of doing it again, right? Structure. Right. So that's the same thing. Um, it's not working anyway, so I'm gonna find a way where what we are missing. We are doing charge node state, turn off. After turn off, after crafting, battery per seconds, right? hmm and set and then set turn off crafting, resetting it, and then if no cooldown, that's it. Only three needed it. If no cooldown, we're setting this one and this one, right? Structure item container, yeah. A primary structure item container. Just making it sure. And then, oh, yes. Um, if you notice that um, we have like crafting time, we're gonna remove that as well, right? So what we're gonna do here, do we have an inventory component of this one? No, we don't have. So what we're gonna do is um, we're getting inventory component of this structure. Um, U primal inventory component, NB component. What equals, and then structure that inventory component. Really, my inventory component, is this right? Sure, container, my inventory component. Yes, this is the one. Then if not equal inventory, if not valid, always do this. Then return because you don't have inventory component. It happened that it's broken, right? So if you don't want to have a crash, then do that thing. Okay, and then or maybe don't return it. Make sure you have it so it will trigger. Then what you can do here inside of it, it's like doing a for loop. Um, you primal item because it is inventory system, inventory comp, and then inventory items field. Okay, gonna iterate all the item inside of it. If you wanna charge the battery right away, you can do this. If item dot descriptive name base field contains battery, just a quick search. If the item is battery, then item durability field, instead of just triggering the command every time we tried it, right? Get max durability, and then item update item false and false. Okay, and then after that, the crafting time, right? Item that b is engram because it's engram, not an item. Then get and end. If it's true or false, mission we don't negate it, so it's true. It needs to be true. Then the descriptive item, no. Uh, descriptive item base field that equals element. That's element. Great. Um, float time, maybe the crafting time, and then what are plugin name? Charge no, crafting time is default to what do you think is default? not equals. Okay. Ah, con if um maybe we don't declare it because I want to hardcode it for now. No cooldown, right? Blueprint time to craft field. Okay. I see this in ARK dev kit as well. So no crafting time, no crafting time, and then no battery charging. Okay. All right. And then um this is the thing that we forget. I didn't I just forget this anyway. What you can do is to make it much cleaner. Maybe set it like this so you can group them if you need to copy paste things. Like how do it? Okay, let me just do this. All right, and then copy paste this, and then create a new one. Maybe we name this the same as goes current charge amount. I noticed I did we didn't check it, but that's the one. Find or just copy paste this as like that. Name is like that. Charge amount, right? So what we're gonna do, we are finding the property of current charge amount, and then um, we are setting it into because right now it's 5,000, right? So we're gonna change it to 5,000 right away, and then multicast the current amount, charge amount. Um, yeah, that's it. Then um, anyway, if you want to have I know that the total amount of inventory slot is 300, right? What we're gonna do, or what we can do, is changing, uh, changing in inventory slot. Um, we no we need to do it below here because we are manipulating its inventory slot. Okay. Inventory slot inv, I'm sorry, dot max inventory items field, max inventory now. Max inventory items field. Okay. And then we're setting it to 300 for maximum, but I think it's the default one is only 20, right? And then inv component, inventory refresh. Okay. I think what you can do here is here multicast property. What is this? Oh no, I wish I don't. I want to open the dev kit again, but I close it anyway. Uh, maybe let's try, cause I wanna try to make it match the UI if we let's see this. Pick code. What is the max inventory item? Okay. So, I don't think that it work. Let's just find it. This is a chargeable anyway. So let's try. Let's try if the charge node has this property. Okay. Let's wait for this. Oh no. Taking so long. Okay, but anyway, because if I build it, it will refresh. What do we do here? Wait, what? Did I die? What? Anyway, are we in? Yeah, I died. Okay, we can just find our body. We can see it on the map, right? I died right here. Where I died. Maybe someone is here. Yeah, is someone is here. A punch in the face. Where's my gun? Oopsie. Good night. Okay, so charge node. Still is still charging, right? But it's not setting the current charge. That's our problem right now. Okay. Going back, and you just open the. This is really hard to find the charge node again. Is it opening? Yeah. Just wait for a little bit. Why it's hanging? Okay, so what we are looking for here, I think it's not in the power node. It's a component which is down right here, but it's still logging. So we need to wait a little bit. Maybe it's still loading or some sort. Um, are you still loading, guy? Yeah. Okay, so we have the inventory. Power node C1. Okay, let's see here. We can just max. Just type max. Maybe show you the max inventory items. Oh, good. I don't know why it's logging. Copy internal names. Wait, where's our C++? Okay, copy. Oh yeah, it's the same one. But we're not going here. We're not a structure. We can go like here. Like, is that correct? That multi gas no. Yeah, maybe it will find it by itself. So let's try it, okay? So I'm building it right now. I hope we don't have crash. Because it's gonna take time again just to load those server. I put it dice. Oh my. Okay, so it's been reloaded. Let's try to chat if we don't have crash. Oh, if I do slash charge, it should charge, right? Charge. Did it? Hmm. It didn't charge. Charge. Oh, it no, it's not gonna charge. Oh, wait, I don't get it. Let's try it. But it looks like this one is bugged. That's why it's not doing anything. So yeah, sometimes you need to restart your server or maybe wait for a little bit because this is ARK thing. Like this sometimes the charge node getting bug, like you cannot access it or whatsoever. But here, the moment I access it, I can be like, I can refresh it right away. But I can even, because I'm in CM, like GCM mode, repair item, then throw everything inside. And just to make sure that we're not cheating, so it's disabled, right? So charge node battery, I'm missing one. Oh yeah, this one. Still not removed this one in my inventory. Remove it earlier. Okay, so right now, we can charge now, so it should be instant. No, let me charge. Oh yeah, it charged. Okay, so it's fully charged right now, but it should be. So this one is not working yet. The time to crafting. I'm gonna change it. Also the inventory and stuff. Okay, so it's discharged right now. The moment we access it, it should be. It can be. Oh, it is charged 500. It's zero. Um, let's try this. But the battery charge definitely without anything. Okay. So let's charge it. Yeah, you can craft it again, even though you don't see that one is charging because it's not. It's just not um multicasting something. Let's find. Wait, am I gonna die here? So I need to just GC. So you can still craft even though charges 7. It's just changing, but it's definitely even if I remove my GCM, right? Powered on station, so it means you can still write. Oh my, sorry. We just need this one and send it there, and you can still craft. But the crafting item is not. We need to change it. Where's our code here? You need to find a way. How can we? Maybe there's something wrong with our state. That's all good. Charge added to battery. It's been 5, but we don't use it because we are changing the battery. Like, no battery charging, no crafting time. Uh-huh. What? If B is engram, we get. Now we're good. Oh, I'm so bad. I'm sorry. It should be 0. Because it's like, we're just doing it like it's still normal. And what else? The number, right? Charge amount, we're setting it to 5,000, but it's not um seeing as we expected. But definitely on server it's already been changed, right? So still right. We need to refresh this. Okay, so here we're gonna do this, then sending it, then it's automatic, right? Then we just put our another Um, oh shit. Okay, yeah. See, it's automatic, but the only problem is the current charge is 0. So maybe we can find a way. Like charge node amount, multicast property. This one is not working, and the 300. But I believe that it's been changed already on the server, just not appearing in our UI. Like here, it's still 20. But if I do some multiple this one, and it will be, see, more than 20, right? What you're gonna do here is like craft it, craft again. It's still good, right? Mm. You have a lot of battery plus actually you don't need to rack up the um inventory as I if you don't like if you don't change the battery charging, if you want to like if it's still normal, you can use that one. That, as you can see, it works, but which is maybe just find a way how to next time, maybe like how to find a way like it will show in UI plus the charging amount still, because it looks like it's working on the server, but it's just not showing the UI stuff. Maybe that's um a different what do you call this, different variable that need to be changed. Maybe we can find it here. See in offset if we have if we find something. No, right? There's no there's no charge amount. Oh, it's different variable that if you wanna really wanna change that thing, find the UI in devkit and then check the variable. What is that? What how they send it to the UI and stuff, right? But it's up to you. It's like maybe you waste your time there. It's just on the UI, but definitely everything works, right? As you can see here, we're gonna try it again. Jam per two, just drop it there. Then see, see, it's automatic. Like every time you access it, it will change. Or maybe def we don't need the slash command to be honest, because the moment you access it, you just uh drag everything you need and then craft it all day if you want to. And that will be it. Anyway, thank you for watching. So we have made our plugin that manipulate environment actors, which is charge node. All right. See you in the next one.